Welcome to the Blockchain Brew. I'm your host, Trent. Guys, yesterday I came on here and I said, don't quit. Guys, today we need to talk about what's next after the largest liquidation event in crypto history. Guys, if you were doing the right things and you weren't over leveraged and you're prioritizing your spot bags, guys, you're not hurting. You're doing okay. There's a lot of other people that, need to pay attention to their mental health right now and need to touch some grass, need to eat a high protein diet and drink a lot of water. Stay hydrated. We joke here on the Blockchain Brew, the most hydrated crypto community on YouTube, because we love our craft beer on this show. By the way, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel to join the Brew crew. But really, guys, do good things for your bodies, for your minds. The Apostle Paul wrote in his letter to the Philippians that I know what it is to be hungry, I know what it is to be full, I know what it is to be in lack, and I know what it is to have plenty. And I've learned in all things to be content, for I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. In one of Paul's letters to Timothy, he says, godliness with contentment is great gain. And that's really important, guys, right now. If your hopes of getting rich overnight were crushed by this liquidation event, guys, you have to find a place of contentedness in your heart, and you have to start rebuilding. You have to do whatever you can to accumulate spot bags of Bitcoin, of other top coins. On the show we love Cardano, XRP, Algorand, HBAR, things that are solid, and you need to do that. If your trading account was blown up, guys, you might have to work to rebuild it. Slowly. You may have to put $100 at a time, in there wherever you can scrounge it up to rebuild that. One tool that we do have now, guys, if some of you out there should be taking a break from leverage trading right now, but there's others that, are looking for a tool, looking for a come up right now, guys, link in the description. You can get a 30% deposit bonus with BYDeFi, and you don't have to meet minimum trading volume to get it. All you have to do is deposit, and you get 30% of your deposit in a trading bonus. So, guys, take advantage of it. That's $3,000. It's capped at $3,000. So if you deposit 10 grand, you get $3,000 without having to trade out of your spot bags, without having to do anything like that. So, that is something to take advantage of if you're looking for it. But mostly, guys, I'm coming on here to tell you it's time to rebuild, and you have to find a place of contentedness with where you're at. And if your hopes of getting rich overnight just got blown up, that's okay. That's okay. Stay with it. You are your own greatest asset. God's given you a mind and a will. And you put those two things to work and learn hard lessons, guys, you'll get rich in a decade. We're not supposed to get rich overnight. It may happen, and that's great for you if it does. But guys, put put your hand to the plow for the long game, okay? And hop in our Discord, link in the description. If you do need to build the discipline of trading with a stop loss and a take profit and letting those do the work for you, we do have VIP signals in our trading group. A bot aggregates them and takes them from top ROI traders on the exchange and pumps them out into the Discord. And so that's good if you need to exercise that muscle and build that discipline. What a day like yesterday shows you is that we need to build those disciplines and those good habits. Guys, so subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and the Brew crew is going to build better habits together. Cheers.